Hey everyone, Samantha Pointer here with Samantha Pointer Enterprises, pointing your business in the right direction. Today, I want to talk about what is the difference between what I do and what a VA does. A VA is a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant can basically assist you. So they can assist you in doing research, in doing data entry, in scheduling, and all type of things. Making appointments, any and everything. You have different types of VAs. You can have an admin only VA, you can have a technical VA, you can have all assortment of virtual assistants. And I'm often asked, what is the difference between what you do for your clients and what I could just have a VA does? Well, I usually work with people who have a virtual assistant because my job is to come in and set up the system, to research the system you need, and then set up that system, to recommend the system you need, and then to set it up for you. And then, depending on what package you get, I can train your VA or another staff member or you on how to use that system. Now, this helps in a few ways. One is it keeps your virtual assistant or VA from having to figure it out on their own. It keeps them from having to do the research themselves, which can take up a lot of time and cost you a lot of money in that research, right? And it helps them to be more efficient and effective in the work that they're doing for you. If I come in and set up the system right the first time, specifically to what your business needs, then that helps the VA to do their job better. So I make sure everyone on your team is on the same page and that everyone knows how this system works and how it works in your business. And that way you can focus on what you do best in your business. Your VA can focus on getting tasks completed and working the new system in place. And there's no time or money lost, okay? I also help set up your standard operation procedures, and I have various different ways of how I do my trainings. So, no matter who you bring in, whether you stick with the same person or if you bring on different people for different times, you can still use the material I leave with you and your company to train others. You're not having to stop what you're doing and train somebody new. The person that you have in that place doesn't have to take a ton of time training somebody new. You just point them to the materials that I've already created, excuse me, for your business. So that is really the main difference between me and a virtual assistant. I help set up the systems, I help train on the systems, and then I help you deploy the system. And then your VA or team member takes it from there and makes sure it keeps running, right? So I have several different levels. I have a level where I have a VIP day where we set up to three automation systems in your business and really deep dive into what you need and do our training all in that one day. Or you can go for my Automate to Dominate 3 month, and I do have a year long, but our 3 month version where I become a part of your team. I really deep dive into your business, your needs, and really take my time training your staff, making sure we have the right systems in place, seeing where the gaps are, and putting those things in place and matching tools. So, those are the main differences between me and just a virtual assistant. I'm really there to assist your team. I'm there to alleviate you from having to do this yourself and to alleviate your team members of trying to figure it out, which it can be frustrating, right? So if you have interest in getting your business automated, you don't know where to start, you don't know if this is for you, I invite you to get on a one-on-one strategy call with me. You can go to organizingguru.com / 15. We can talk about what your business needs, and I can help you find the right place where I can get automation into your business. Okay. So again, that is organizingguru.com/15. Let's get on a call and see how I can help your business. If you have any questions about the differences that between me and a virtual assistant, or how I can help your virtual assistant be better at what they do for you, or if you are thinking of hiring a virtual assistant and want to get these systems set up before you hire someone, then make sure you go to organizingguru.com/15 and get on my calendar so we can get this rolling. Again, thank you for joining me, and I will see you later. Bye.